What's up? What's up? What's up, you guys? This is Skinny Boy Randy. Just wanted to give you an update on our carrots that we kind of planted in the Home Depot bucket, but some of the seeds just fell in there, you guys. And this is from a pepper plant that I had last year growing on my porch. If you go back and look, you'll see it produced so many good peppers. And I know it's already dead for the year, but look down in here, y'all. The carrots did their thing. Some carrot seeds fell down in here that I was not paying attention to. I was not tending to them. I didn't do anything to it. They must love this soil. I can come on this side and dig a little bit. Some other stuff growing over there too, y'all. Okay. So, but yeah, this is the soil. And look. Oh my goodness. How beautiful it is outside today as well. Look, we have carrots, y'all. First time ever growing carrots. I hope you can see this. Get on this side. And look, this is one carrot plant, you guys. Right there, that's one, I guess. And then, look all up in this bucket. You see that? And I want to get down and show you deep down because I see carrots. Let me see if I can get down and just move some of the soil a little bit. Yep. You see that, y'all, down in there? Can I zoom in? Down here where my finger is. You see that, y'all? Carrot. Oh my God. I finally got carrots to grow. Yes, y'all, forgive me for breathing so hard, but been trying carrots for years. Never got a one. So let me cover it back up. Let me show you again. Let me make sure you saw it. Let me make sure you see it. And it's going down further and further. My carrot. That's one of my carrots. And then there's more. Let me just move the soil just a little bit. You got, oh! As Grandma used to say, woo! Can I get a view of it? Another one, y'all. Oh my God, I have carrots. Miss Cheryl Tally Boss, Miss Angela Busy Bee, Lead Farmer 73, New Orleans Gardener. My first carrots. First time ever. And I'm digging a little bit down in this one. Oh. I don't know. I'm gonna let it do its thing. Cover it back up. Sorry for the raggedy video, y'all, but I'm just excited. I have carrots. And you saw it. You see it. You see it. Never had one before in my life. I love you guys. You're the best. It's Skinny Boy Randy. I hope you like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. You guys be safe. Wash your hands. Stay social distancing. And, yeah, grow some. I love you. You're the best. We got carrots, y'all. We got carrots. Where's Bugs Bunny?